Hey, it's the first time you watch the channel here. Please do subscribe. We are trying to go to 100k, but everything been slow from the other day. I don't know why or what is happening, but tell a friend, share the content. We're trying to get there. We are trying to get to 100k. Me brainstorm so we can do for get more subscribers. But in the meantime, I fight a war just to balance and stay alive. Let's go. Watch that show ya.
Business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. All I wanna hear is about the cheddar. Cheddar. All I wanna hear is about the money to make my life better. Better. Money talk, bullshit walk. Money talk, bullshit walk. We leave you someplace in the dark. We don't love to talk. The dog will bark. You come with this, don't come around here. We leave you there while you're scared. I hope you're here, always near. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. From almost a tender age, I tell mommy I wanna be a businessman. I know I'll have a business plan. And if you mix with my dough, I tell you it will be damn. Somebody will be going down. I don't mess around with yours, so don't you miss.
I did it mad when I still, you know. She said she had keep one more, you know.
Well, she can't keep party, so.
No, I don't know where she get them bad girl and what they had. The mad man.
Yeah, plan to go?
I be mad in that. I make up my mind.
So every time you go to a party, you never carry me yet.
I'm not carrying with you, man. I must have last month, the third. Buy a party at third. Then can you like the party?
I buck up, make you carry me at the time.
Man, I'm up, man. Let's say, you must want to enjoy yourself, you see me? Because you're there every day and, you know. So I make sure you say, yeah, everything balance, you see it.
No, seriously.
So you know, and, you know. I want to go on the road still, you know, because the thing I have to deal with on the bike, trouble that's the link in today. So, text him and him and say, like, in the boat, you see me? So I want to give him a link and follow him, you see it.
One little day get to stay with me, I go for a
No
road.
man, I don't like that man. How many carries a pre so?
Because I chew it.
Let me choke man. But I bring back something for you, you know want something?
Alright.
Yeah.
One chocolate.
Okay. You know. No you like it Charles then?
Yes, it's your money.
Bring it back for you. When you left me I left out and I say I'm phone all dead so I left it.
Alright.
The man is plugging in for me. You cook before I come to you know, because man I come in hungry, you know, you see me? Yeah,
So you want to leave?
yeah. The thing go on man, you see me? For the party, yeah, go man, don't worry yourself. I'm so forward.
Alright. Do you want to go party? So I don't want to. Yeah. Oi. Girl, me there, what one? Say anything about this thing already. Yes, you got to think one get back to me. No, so want to make you on time, so girl. I tell her to check me. Yesterday, I tell her to check me today. And you really come back today? Yes. No, you mean business? You really mean business? I think about it, man.
So yes, I can tell him.
I think I'll give him a chance. I'll try him.
Alright. Alright then. A good boy, you take good care of you.
Yeah, vouch for him, bro.
If you go for your bro them, I see a one link. One link. I don't know where they.
Girl, I'll try and see what I go on, but I hope I no foolish thing you not deal with, you know. Because I'm not in it, girl. Because the man I play, I'm just not in it.
No, a good boy. I'm say good man, a good man.
How long I text the boy and I know him not answering and all that come. Watch a God. It's a bit text you all long and don't Jesus Christ. I mean, all of us.
Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. I don't wanna hear
When did it say, bro?
When am I
Just
birthday?
remind me now. Remind me, man.
Tell me when am I birthday?
money to make my life better.
Tomorrow.
Like, tomorrow Tuesday.
Tomorrow.
Bullshit walk.
Me and your gift for this.
Money
I didn't know when I'm a birthday.
Me have your gift.
I didn't know when I'm a birthday, not true.
Gift in the arms.
in the
like,
dark.
I will say your
Don't love
gift.
to talk.
You see me?
Leave it there.
Jesus Christ. So what me I say now? You see?
I hope you hear.
Party what me say.
Always near.
More you come out nice, more everybody be jealous.
Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business
So
now.
come a friend of mine, did it, I know them, I'm gonna feed them
Let's get
woman.
down to business now. Let's get down
And you
to
know me love
Let's
competition.
get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. When I was a tender age, I tell mommy I wanna be a businessman. I know I have a business plan. And if you mess with my dough, I tell you it will be
Yeah,
damn.
so as me I
Some
say,
battle will be going down.
you're a pretty tongue ring.
I don't mess around with yours, so don't you mess around with mine. You got yours, do what you want with that, but if you might get a shot, then I don't give a the cops. It's a serious world. It's a serious world. And for you, I will send you from the girl. Leave you somewhere dying.
Yeah.
Oi.
What tired?
How make you run breathless? So what happened?
How are you, Monday?
You know, saying gone on the road. That thing tell me not too long.
Just passing down the sack is up and up and with someone. I'm tired, I don't know long me.
Girl, not tell me say you're too light.
Me have to there in all a bush.
Which fire passing?
Right down the road down there, so.
I don't what?
I go pan kiss up woman.
Girl, no bother with it. You're too light, girl.
I swear, mommy have to
Girl, what you really have said to me? Where you send me Monday?
down there, so I go pan kiss up woman. Me I jump over bush.
Let me else sit down, because I'm weak.
No. Why you catch up as a fast?
No, sir.
How can I believe
Where
now
you
what you
come
say now?
from? No, where you really have come
My
from?
bike shop when me say me I go. I say that now.
Me not believe you. Me not believe
So
you.
what?
As my friend come up here, you come up here. No, me not believe
So what you
you.
say? What you say?
She said she passed you with one girl down the road that hug up and kiss up.
Me?
You!
You see me with girl hug up and
He
kiss
hit
up?
me like no bush.
Listen, all me have to say,
Yeah, just
me
yeah,
no want an explanation.
What trying to be just don't believe her. You
I
know she
believe
not
my
rate me.
friend.
You know she not rate me, don't.
I believe my friend because you see before you go, you did well one go.
I not really adjust the bike, man, because you don't know, say I hit you if you use move around and thing there.
Me not believe it. Just
Come on,
pack
man.
up your things and come out of me, please.
That's
Please,
right.
me I beg you.
Then we there.
Yeah, it done, it over.
So you cause. Yeah. And this is one I like, not sure.
One.
Come
You
out
done?
of my place.
So I just say it I done.
Come out, you just
All
like
our
that.
plans. All the
Just
plans
like
we
that.
have.
Come out of my place.
Pack up my things in my car. Yeah, manage them and style.
Do you know something I tell you just like for your man? Miss them at so
No, friendship. I believe you. I believe you, girl.
You can never believe me. You're too light, you know. That man tell you.
Say, me not see and
So you
hear
cast.
you.
So you cast. And see me, brother. Like shot
Just
me
hurry up and go, because you will want to go on. You see up with your pack?
So all I brush out, I made the boy I brush out to you know you. That me
Look
tell
at
you.
mama, man, you.
This is what you want to say. Leave your friend.
Yeah, man, go
Your
on.
friend I go retire with.
You don't worry about that.
You think good, yeah? Think good, man.
You come quick, man.
But say I have a come back in. Think good.
Girl, tell me to go and tell
But
you.
not this kiss out to me, man.
It's alright.
Oh, go tight, you know.
Man, I'm wicked.
Easy to farm, my guy. I'm gonna stand. If you want to pass and see me, I'll be left plate and see my student. Can't believe it. That's why I can't like. Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Baby, what's up?
Me there here, now what going?
You don't know, say, you remember one short girl did pass when you did stand up out the princess shop front. Is that right, mister?
Yeah, I want to know.
You know, go and go tell no man say you pass me and you they are hug up and a kiss up and one bag of stuff.
Yeah, so the girl list here, man.
And I tell you, for me, that's why I don't like that girl, you know, brother. I'm an informer, you know. Right now, she said me to pack up and come out, brother. Right now, me out that door. Rain all look like it all start fall.
What you say?
Right now, me out that door with my clothes and everything in one little garbage bag, brother.
You know some got it right.
Yeah, baby, I know you got me, but right now, I talk about outside and you don't know, so I'm not come from the here. Yeah.
Just pack up everything and come. I know long me do you want that to happen. I'm glad session we just meet back out at the same spot.
Take bad things, man. Alright. So what you say?
Just meet back out
at... can stay.
Of course, you can't come live in with me.
You sure do?
Of course. Just come meet back out at the same spot out at Princess shop out there, so. Before we come out.
I'm forward right now, you just come out now.
Alright, hurry up.
Alright. You can't that right.
Tell my daughter. You lose some money. No man, something to your mother. Are you pregnant, man. Someone to you. You're away, you not have enough clothes hour. Oh, yeah, you want a pretty hairstyle? Hey, talk to me, my father, I want you, stop the crying. Wipe off your tears. Want you.
My mama did live with.
My boyfriend.
Yes.
You know him again? That same boy, yeah man, one deal.
Daddy boy give me bun.
You're born. And you sit down here and start crying.
Daddy, but me love him.
Take the guns and what? Stop me and myself to stop crying. Stop crying, man. Let me tell you something, man. If you love him, he'll love you too. Him not fi make you there so ball and a cry and then him go. Let me tell you something, man. Keep yourself to yourself and make sure say you keep another try out the bagga man. You will find somebody good when the right time come. Yeah, there's a ball over one man. Look how much man in our world. Look how much good boy in your type out there. So where you keep up yourself for wine for? For this damn boy him not even look good again.
Daddy, you can't style no man.
Me not style him. Me not this man nothing, you know. But look at me. Take a man with quality, man. You know see what me do? Me a substance. From girl look at me, them a want me. Me not go where I mean a girl a cry and pack up bag and one bag of something. Even if she say go on, I saw me stay in there. And come like the rock of Gibraltar. Wipe off your tears, man. And when I see him go, they gonna make him know, say, yo, chat to me back. I ain't no joking thing, man. I just try to make you laugh, but me that a serious thing nowadays. Man. They make the man break your heart and then you break down yourself. I do some of that in one, you know. Come, go find something to eat and nice up yourself. Change off your clothes. Put on one nice, sexy something and walk out there. And say if I know you ball this time. Don't forget father around yourself.
Guys, you know what long way away. You know what long way away for this. The girl just don't know if it could.
Oh yeah, we couldn't still, you know.
Come up, we'll go home, yeah?
You can't hold this, I can't feel say I feel bad.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy a piece on my back. Come on.
Tiffany!
Oi!
Ah, go on.
What there?
How you dealing? How you doing this also?
In the dirty man, me can't make people come in the dirty house.
Oh, you look so beat out.
Let me tell them I just wake.
Why you take time with you, you know? You take time with you. So what I go on differently?
Yeah, me about take go, then we take
My
time.
brother, take time with you, man. Because you just a mash it down so.
And last night I go on the party, man.
Yeah, in terms of, yeah, I have a party we after, because I go drink 2 rum last night, I tell you, so.
But we go out after.
So you're good though?
Mm-hmm.
In terms of something go on, you know? Can you say my
Like
walk
something
by
like
you, my juice you up, you say my juice you, my juice you.
You're
Yeah,
alright.
you go so go on, I be things in my, yo, so go on.
No, go on.
Alright, we see. I'm going to turn the Godfather. Alright, so anyway, different from that though. I see our friend there. Round friend, brown friend. Right?
Ushan.
You see him one? Tia. From the T to the Ha. That the girl there. I like her, for real. You know what I mean? So I sit back and I say, you know, so really and true, like, yeah, the right somebody to give me the link towards her. You know what I mean? Make a link for man. Because we see her now and then, but she not take no talk. She has to move fast. You understand? One I think she did dead one brown youth. You man the brown youth yesterday?
No, sir.
Because anyway she did the brown youth has a behind him, so I never get no time to talk to her. Really and truly, what I want you to do now, I want you to make the link. Make me concrete in her life. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Alright then, I go bathe and fresh up and then walk going to go tell her.
clean up and
Yeah, cause some matter in your eye if you show me girl. But your head looks like a foul loose.
me
But
go do
anyway.
it. One day, man.
Oh, me not say that yet. Cause me know say a girl, you know. If them girl see a road, see you so, within their yard. You
can't
must,
manage it.
you know, me a friend, I talk to Bridget, he must buy you the bonnet, a bonnet or planet. What them call it? Big something put over your head. Mama can buy one of them, say in their yard, you can put on it. Me a friend, man, trouble. You good though?
Yeah, me go fresh up and something.
Here one now, there's a trick, right? I'm gonna tell you what's my boss upon the secret now. You see, if you want one boy, baby, you make the man do the work. No, girl. No, girl. If you want the girl, you make the man overpower you. But you see, if you want boy you want, you have to take charge. You understand?
Who tells a baby I come?
No, but we are young people. If you don't breed, we are not there far. You're a woman. No, you're there.
Then souvenir.
No, me tell you what you want. Choose what you want out of a lot.
Me
But
no want none.
you see, when you know what you want, you can get it. If you really want. Listen to the song. You can get it if you... Let's go. Yo, Tom Virgin said me page him later. But make that move there for me now. I'll link you back.
Yeah, me go link.
If me get
her,
her,
me go.
we have a juice here. 2 juice, 3 juice. Don't worry yourself. Just make it link.
Come on, me here. Go. Man. Oi! What going? Yeah. I know where you are. Girl, me just look on TikTok. The board is man. I love your phone, sir. I tell you, me have to do, girl. I don't have nothing else to do. I don't have man, I don't have nothing. So I just have to just occupy my time. Remember your wife along this?
Which boy that?
Where you say like you?
Oh, what about him?
He said like you and me to come put one and two words for you. So I don't know. Me up there. Me a nice, good boy. And you're burning like a you. But you need money in your pocket.
So wait then. How you know say good boy?
I mean him grow. He come like my brother.
So you have money and say.
Yeah, he have enough money.
So you know what money will make you not take him for yourself.
You not him come like my brother. That's why I made him not depend on his brother.
You don't know about that, girl. You don't know about that, because them boy don't want nobody.
I don't think he was a good boy. Eh? Because just stay with him. He have money or something.
So me can't force me for them with the boy, so I don't understand. I really don't understand.
Why you say like and you don't do much something for you? That's why I come over here now.
I don't know, I'm going to think about it. I don't know.
But you know, this is a couple of weird promise with your answer, my inconvincing.
So this year, then I say, well, what woman?
No, say like you're clean body, your thickness, and your big body and something. Why you know this so just dip on you?
A month no boy, they hunt me down. No man, I'm too desperate. I'm too desperate. I'm not sure about this, but me think about it.
Let me tell him nothing no go on, so go tell him say.
Tell him say me we think about it. No worry yourself, me we think about it, girl.
Hey, me I go to do turn up and wait till I think about it and then go down go tell him. Why? We can't have to go back and forth. I'm tired, you know. You know, far down this, so I have to go.
Alright, me I go and think.
Alright, I'm going to go turn up and wait for him.
boy a chance though. Cause I'm lonely, you know. Can't tell me no lie. Sometimes I'm just lonely. But boy, them man don't want nobody. You know what? I'll give him a chance. I think I'll give him a chance. Tiffany. Girl,
Never call me.
me indecisive. May I tell you the truth. May I tell you God Almighty truth. So here what? Cause my mind a tell me yes. My mind a tell me no. Me don't know which part we follow. So just give me till tomorrow. Please. Tell him say tomorrow me will link you. You know worry yourself. Me will link you and get answer. Alright then. Me have to come on and I'll come but I'm come back up here again now. And I can't bother for walk home because I hope I'm so tired for me. Alright, may I go eh? I go tell him say tomorrow you will link me on my phone also. I wonder what this girl want me say yes. No, sir, she just come to me today and want me say yes already. I don't understand what I go on.
Finally. You know, look me there and wait, but yo, you know, so much time to send a friend. You send a friend go link you. Tell us some like and want you from them time. So long you come.
Yeah, but
Finally you come though.
one day we understand why.
Yeah.
I don't know.
She tell me say one and two things go on and you get hurt. But you don't know. If you don't get hurt on earth, what does it worth? You have to get hurt on earth. So after you get hurt now you learn.
We learn.
Yes, yeah, so once you go Ras, you never go back. How are you? You sick?
Throat dry man, sun hot and thirsty man.
Oh, your throat dry.
Yes.
Dry
Oh.
throat reasoning. Alright. So, you want something to drink like?
Yeah, thirsty bad man.
Don't worry. Listen man. I'm that guy. I'm that good guy. Right? You good to me. I good to you. So you're good. You give me a hug. Let's go get your juice.
Alright, come on.
The more you give, the more you get. That's me. You see me like, you know, like you see me? I'm not like most people, you know. You give me give you. You give me, give you.
Say.
The more you give, the more you get. I'm simple like ABC.
Okay.
I'm the real man. You know, like nice spotlight, man. Your throat wet now.
Yeah,
God. Come on, so finally we get to see each other. But you love me off the way now.
how it's supposed to be?
Well, I'm glad to know some see you in person. Because from how long I like you, I mean I tell a friend if you want to see me talk, you see in person now. Yeah, one this more often. Where we can go out somewhere when I time then. Just anything we can do. I would like to know so we can do something.
No problem, man. You can always link
Tell her
up.
one thing with me though. Because I don't like run corner. I like love sex. You're a champion. See if your face love sex too. You love sex?
When it's with the right person.
Well, I'm Mr. Right. I changed my name from that right from my last name right now. There's no more right.
But once we're together, we're gonna have sex when the time right.
And I'm Mr. Right. So even right now the time is right. Love at first sight. My local place run and saying
Don't make it terrible, so.
no, I joke man. But if I serious, we do it, but I joke man. But if you're really serious, you can do it, but you can't take it serious. Anyway. Don't walk going and say then, can't want to go some car road grounds, a ramping shop around there, no? A nice little corner around there. Somebody put a car in there?
No.
We have to do it different because now, we are going from what year? It's the first month we are going and there's been a blue. And I'm a gym, I be a blue man. See, right? Go there.
Also, you can't make we just get to know each other first.
But how can I get to know you until I get to know you? Huh? How can I get to so I go in a you? I know you. Come in a you.
You realize if you 1 month now you talk about P6. P6, 1 month no bond.
No, but when
you see it?
You're going to tell me when your birthday is. When you get your birthday, tell me for the week before. Give me a heads up. Alright? I say no.
But you understand, chill, man. You understand? It's not just get to know each
I
other.
like it. I like it.
You like just rushing things.
I like doing a thing. If I know night, if you're nice, you have to be nice. What's going to look bad?
Good things come to do us today. You understand?
Come on, come back home. Try that road. Alright, you get to come on beach, alright?
I'm not hungry. Can't buy me something.
You won't know. I'll buy you something, man. But I can't make charge for me. I mean, I don't cash for me. We have roast can from the yard. You understand?
Okay.
Look at your back home. You must say yard to you, man. You're hot, man. Come on, man. You must say yard to you. You know, you time you get out to
Daddy! Yeah.
Yeah, because some people want me stop.
I can't make people what you do.
Yeah.
Wow. Alright,
So I go on, get the people after.
more banana cheese. Yes.
So I'll go with there, alright?
Not 100, but I'll go on one more. I want ginger beer.
Alright, this is the door.
May I go on one of them? How much for them? Alright. How much for them?
You talk about money with your father. How much money we spent by already?
Daddy, have pieces here running out.
Come around and say, let me show you something on the phone. What do you think I'm sending to school for?
Daddy like how your door lock come on, son. Daddy.
I didn't take some wire research. I know some no eye up in our education.
No, so that they let us have up on your phone.
Wait.
Man, want to fling you up on your all them something.
We don't want to see.
It's a woman I beg your money.
What is it? They down there.
This a woman who want you pay her like this. No, sir. No, Daddy. All of them money they better take it me. I like how me now work alone.
It's alright, man. No worries.
But anyways, you have to go up and now because I left the door open.
Tell your mother something say, I hear.
Alright.
And make sure you take care of yourself.
Yeah, man, may I try.
First class.
No.
What is?
Deal with this
Who
year.
this?
That's what me here? This year?
First class. So, oh, you talk about you never have no girl.
Drama.
Oh, this is gonna take my man. First class.
You have something for older man? Do you have something to older man?
Girl, you're bright. Nobody don't know I'm
That's
chatting.
why I make it a man.
Nobody don't know I'm chatting. First class, this is really do me. Sorry.
I bet.
Everything good.
Yeah, man.
Everything good.
Come on, this fat thing here.
You don't worry about that, girl.
Girl, mark on your forehead. How would this say, man?
Girl,
We are going to do something.
this is same thing when you do me, I saw him I gonna do you. So you don't worry yourself.
You have somewhere to put him. You have somewhere to put him.
You don't worry yourself. I mean, yard in the live.
But you might even my yard now. Can you not have the good grip, the tight grip? Move from here so you shape like duck. Oh, you
It's
man.
alright. Alright. You look like some old cancer patient. Where? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oi, girl, me there. Tired. I'm stressed out.
What's stress now?
Girl, me go down with my father today. We go buy one bun and cheese and one ginger beer because I did hungry. And you don't know who me buck up on.
Who you woke up on? Nigga?
The same boy, girl, I did there with the girl where you're passing down the road with. And after I tell me, say, I lie, I tell.
What me did tell him?
So me just there, girl, just don't eat the bun and cheese and feel like a nigga represent me. Me say, and the girl have the audacity, girl, to want come in an argument with me. And the boy turn up their speechless like, you understand what I'm saying?
Matter.
Me can't believe I know.
Shada she go out and a boy face, him and the girl. But forget about them, they're not important.
Yeah, girl.
Well, into you on fire.
Girl, we alright, you know, but a PS6, him a talk about. Every time he text me a PS6666, we can't bother.
About 3 months, I gonna go up now 3 to 6 months now and not 6 it.
Girl, 3.
Give him a little piece, man.
I want to make you well, I want to give him like a piece.
Let me tell us you're a good man. And them a tell them they kill this boy, they look for and give them front already.
Girl, them a money and they too wicked. I don't know, but I go and think about it. I think about it. 3 months still too soon.
Girl, a good man. Do it and not go regret about it. A good man.
If you say so. Girl, can you that tell me it's a 3 months too long? How long you wait before you have sex with a man?
Girl, the boy we are coming right now as me see me game. I mean in that chat and right now me and him still there.
You're bad and brave though. Big up yourself.
Girl, when me see boy, I just fall in love with him. Just
You know, girl, I fling up upon him. So let me ask you something, girl. How long before you start to have sex with one man when you meet them? Girl, if I see one boy, and I like him, and he up there, I give him it right away. Like the boy, I have been there with now. I beat him at one party, and I not tell him no lie. I join him on one place, go give him peace. Set time. And right now, me and him still there. I call the boy.
Bunny down.
What?
What there, you know? Now you're with there.
Why? You know, say, I think me gonna give you a chance, I know.
A lie. Sound good, man. Not a good man, you know?
A good man.
Yeah, I'm a good man.
I don't think a good man there again, you know.
I'm my last one left. My last one left, man.
I hope so. You can call link me.
Yeah, you want me can for you?
My car, super condom.
Oh, God. I'll go on. So, may I come?
Hurry up, man.
Ah, may I follow?
What?
You call me, so I just follow. I'm kind of shy, you know. Waste me full of talk, so my time
Me
shy.
love man shy.
No, I'm shy for true, man. I'm not shy. So, I get this something here. I never get 2 or 1 hour for the left.
That can work. Right now, me just stress out and just want something for go on.
Yeah, that good for. Yeah, then talk for the TV, say it good for stress.
So since you're shy, let me start again. Just slow. Where can you? Oh, sit here. That is good. I feel much better not to know. Enjoy yourself.
Yeah. I tell you.
So you're sleeping with me tonight?
You know, me have a game of sleep tonight, but me have to go somewhere and come back though. Me have a look at something to deal with. A while ago, I did deal with now, they call me, you know. And see me dog for about 3 hours now. You know what I mean? So I have to go deal with that and then come back. What time you go to bed?
I got me bed early. Now wait up for you. Try to make sure so you come back.
Yeah man, I go come back, man. I talk about you can't come like 1 time and 2 times and 3 times. We go come back. But I say me I come back. Keep on coming back. For more. Yeah man.
I got to wait up for you still.
So you're good though?
Alright now. I will be better when we see you later.
Alright. I'll go back and come back.
Alright. Oh babes, you know what you care back for me tonight?
What am I back for you?
Pizza.
Which one of them?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni pizza?
Yeah.
Alright man, you get it, alright?
Alright babes. Yeah man.
Which flavor?
Give me one Tropicana.
Tropicana too?
Yeah.
Alright. Big one or small one?
The small one will do. California. Girl,
Yeah,
what one?
I'm there.
I said, girl, I just feel happy.
We happy about now.
Girl, I say, you remember my boy when you did tell me about where you talk to me about, I tell us that me give him a chance.
Yeah.
Girl, me say, my finally decide to give the boy a chance. We'll just do it. You know what me I talk about?
Yeah.
Girl, right now me all wait for him. Him say I come back. So me did tell him to carry pizza for me and my favorite drink Tropicana. So, but they are going to wait for the boy.
Me did tell us you're good, my good man. So, me tell us you're good man still. So, maybe you go come man, you go come cross.
Girl, me there wait for him still. So I'll call him ask him away and the time take too long.
Oh, and I told me that still.
Yeah, girl, when him carry the pizza come, I go save piece here, so you can come for morning.
Alright then.
Yeah, girl.
Oi.
Oi,
What?
girl, me there. Just wake up and there, just straighten up the place. Want me, you good?
I said I'm just done straighten up around the yard and something.
Oh. So you say I go on now?
Girl, I pissed. I come up here for a while. You promised me for last night. I come for come eat for my breakfast right now.
Girl, which pizza? Which pizza again?
You boy don't care pizza come here?
No.
Girl, pizza when me promise you last night. If you ever know, say, you are one next one. You tell me about boy, this and boy, that and boy, a good man. And boy come walk me out yesterday and promise me pizza. I know I don't see boy. Me check my phone 100 times. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and no boy can come. I don't have no pizza for you.
I lie you that tell. Friend not there that day. For my bro G, when me call for my bro G. Promise you pizza like that. I lie you that tell. Me carry pizza come here. Just to make up something.
Like me I tell, girl look for me first me I laugh. Me no joke. A matter of fact, me no want you come back up here and introduce me to no man and tell me about no man like me. Me no interested. That me want you to know. Me no want no more man a dog. Me no want them. Me no want no man.
That you there. Me not think say you that day or that day. He must wrong with him or some must accident or something in me today. When me know him by in my heart, me know him. He would have never do you that day. Me go check him. No say nothing. Me go check him. I go down and I go check him right now and come back. Right now.
Alright, goodie. Do that.
Alright.
Yes, Ja, just another day.
Fire.
What go on?
Me not even know somebody that says I want me to come from on your road.
Yeah, what you dealing?
I say you do what we can do girl so.
No man. What's that?
He say you promise him peace and
What you want now? 6 months. A bad styling thing, man. Fan look how long you look how long me and her there. Up and down me and look how long me tell her me like her. And fan them time them me and look her up and down with her. She hold me out too long. So by the time I get it like me really want it so much again. So I she do my bad. And me just feel like say me just feel upset about the whole idea. So me just say, you know what, me not bother link her back, me not bother check her back last night. Because I go down to a pizza place, you know. And when me not line and wait, it just come in my mind. So, why are you waiting? So I must walk out of the line. And then me just say, you know what, me change my mind. So just like how me can't wait for summer for 6 months, she must can't wait for me to get the pizza in 6 months. So if she forfeit the deal and I behave bad, I fear her fault. Talk it through.
No man, I should care piece to go give me pussy girl.
So because you go long, she should give me the thing. For me and her there, she should give me the thing that me say me and her nice. But I buy her the whole pizza out. But she take too long.
How she take too long?
So just me some
How
because
much work me put in for you?
I go buy her the pizza. But she have to give me some time when the time is right. So when I go down there, tell her, say, when the time right, she'll get the pizza. Just give me 6 months time. Just like 3-4 months, so me I wait for her. She go wait the same time for the pizza. See, fear is fear. So on the first time I meet her, she tell me what things she want in her world. But she don't want to give me. Look at me, I say, look at me and talk to you.
I know me. Alright, no me that start at
For your man a laugh at me, you know. Oh, see your friend holding me out too long, you know. Because my brother like that, he knows, say, boy, nothing not go on for me.
I'm alright, you know.
Alright, what no good though? Well, go on do your thing though. Where do you go and hold it off? Up on the road me I go.
Me I go back over. And that train time that me say me I come look for me I hunt along.
Yeah man, but as she started. And I started, she started. So she know if you play the game, she can't play. She hold me out, me I try to hold her out back. So she begs her some and begs whenever she says no to me every time I ask her. Alright?
Just buy me for the girl.
Yeah, 6 months time. No, I keeping my promise though. She go get it. 6 months time. Tell her if you see her, yeah?
Alright, I don't let me walk back.
Alright. Just tell her to me now nothing. Right? But
Alright
that does
then.
time.
Yeah.
When the time is right. Alright? She
Alright.
go for pizza. She go get the pizza in abundance. Alright.
Hey, mommy. Me soon come a country, man. Me not like come a country when me not have no money. Yeah. Mommy, you not understand. When me come a country, Papa love ask money. You love money and sister love money. So me not have one piece of money in my pocket, man. And me not work and now. So just understand now. T.I. Oi. What happened? Girl, me there on the phone with my mother. Mommy, me soon call you back here. My friend can't link me. Alright. Listen, what I do hot. Don't. Where you say I going to know? I see him up the road. In the 9 car. But in... So what happened to him now? He meet in an accident. His foot broke. What do him? Why reason make he never come back? Girl, he might tell me say he soon by a piece time and wait 2-3 months time. The same like how you tell the wall him out with the front. You see him say I wall out with the piece about he now go broke him promise him go still carry con gear and him not have nothing at all. Me say me just convince him still say if he carry con gear. Girl, I'm alright, you know. Me not hungry. As much as me not work, I'm alright, he can keep him pizza. So you see 3 to 4 months when he decide to buy the pizza, you and him can't eat it. Cause right now me upset. Cause you cause this to, you know. You come up here and tell me about boy like me and this and boy a good boy. Me never know say that the why. Or he will have grow. He ever have in cash pan him. Girl, but you hold him out too long still and still. You hold him out too long. Girl, me have friends still, but you hold out him too long. You hold him out extra long. Why, right now if me walk a boy, wish if me give me a world. Right away. And me not tell you say me not give one little piece if me I get it. Me I get it, me I give him it. So, I don't know what happened. Well, there are men out there who are willing to wait all 1-2 years because I'm a good man. This is a man where you can set me up and all he want is sex. Sex, that's all in the thing, boy. He done gone bad already, so make it rest right there. So, as me said before, you and him can eat the pizza 4 to 5 months from now. Be good. Girl, this is much of it with friendship, you know. Why a long time me and your friend, long time. I make this much of a friendship. Me and your friend and everything, but you can't give me no more man. Me know why you even come to me, say nobody like me. It not gonna work.
Me there, you know me ever come in and I look for you. I finally get the chance to come by myself.
If you come by yourself, man. Take me back car.
Yeah, man, let me for me set. Just say you want to take some milk.
Just type in the name of taxi, man. You know, you can just tear up the card when you're done.
But me not really not going to want to do this as something.
Alright, I'm take care of it.
Yeah, better so. If you go see tear up one side, you have me, oh, this or oh, you know?
No, I'll go. It's a number.
You know, say after this, you know, things that already, you know?
Alright, you know?
Yeah, man.
I'm for sale the cat.
Babes, honey buns, anything you want.
Right.
Alright.
Alright.
You know, things that we
You say
see.
one banana chips.
You know,
You want sachets?
you want Malta. Thanks.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah, man, just send me a message. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, take care.
Wait, Chappy.
Wagwan.
My pre-general.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm there, father. You know, say, I did my battery dead and I look at one car though. I look like rain, I go fall and I have some clothes and I do have to take up on something, you know? Yeah, man, you do, brother. I really like, brother. Yeah, man. You still out, sir?
Yeah, man. I want to tell you, man. One. Bing bang bang.
Hold on the Chappy. The woman number this, sir. Save us, baby.
You save that babe.
Save us, baby, Chappy. Your phone, let take man for Chappy.
For the phone, the man for.
So my woman number in your phone, save us, baby.
So you don't ask she about that, brother.
Ask who more.
So
Man
man,
support you every day, Chappy. Me and her come at your shop, so you know, say I'm my woman. So how she save us, baby?
brother, me not even know all this safe in my phone. I am move, sir. I am move, sir.
Yeah.
Post the girl I like you. Post the girl like your bun.
Post, brother.
Suppose the girl like your bun, and that if you know. If you look into things better, me not even know all this saving on my phone as me give her a call or what when I tell me say better.
Alright. Hold on.
Hold
Let
on.
me make a call, sir. Everything, man. I know she.
I left everything with the woman, man. I left everything with me, brother.
Yeah, hello babes. On Chappy phone. A first class I chat to you, my girl.
Daddy, give me phone.
You see when me forward, hold on to me forward.
Give me phone. Because nobody no cuss on my phone, brother.
Everything good, Chappy.
Everything have to go, daddy. Left out things with the woman, man. That if you do you. I left out things on my phone. Give you a call. You.
Shanti. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, what you say now?
How is part today?
Hey, then nobody ask me there you because for you give Chappy your number, you know say it can't work.
Nobody go on so man, just make we stand and explain things now, please.
Me move out, because I go back around when I didn't live
Just
before
listen
you.
to just one more Just give me one more chance.
Sure. I need that to sit man for you. Morning.
First class, what you do me yard?
Jaja, I do what I do years ago.
First class, it can't go work.
Just-
What you do me yard?
just
How your
listen,
girl put out you now?
I know nothing like that, man. I mean, just left money. And me just my eyes just open to certain things.
You know
Babe,
my
you
word.
just listen me out now, man. From the time I there with you. You know, say, yeah, I must read this girl me ever there with. And to be honest, I did that question it. But right now, when I explore my options and things, I say, yo, are you the defined one? And right now, I come for just secretary and thing. And I just want we just see him back how we did stay. We just want to get it back to that level there. You see me? On a real level.
You know my word.
So you're not just consider it or nothing?
I'm at peace. So you know my word.
Please,
All your girl
just
make her
listen
come
to
and
me.
me.
No, and then me make she come. And then me make she come.
I fool they take me for
And
first
then me make she
class.
come, be. Just listen me out now.
Listen to me now. Just
Girl,
give
come
one
out to
more
me,
chance. Just come and me
Aye,
explain to you,
hello,
please.
it's phone look one. Take up your bag
Hold
and
on.
it's on the ground.
Just-
Let me finger
just
for
hold
shoulder.
on.
Come on me
Just hold
yard.
on now. Me I go soon talk. Hold on. Let me just hear what she is. I don't talk to you. What you asking now?
You know, some men don't know how this shop,
Talk up,
man.
man. Talk up, man.
Just listen to me and nobody move up. You know, some men don't know how this shop, man, baby.
How me
And
fi
your
know that?
Your
You
birthday
save
come
in your
up.
phone as baby. How me fi know that?
Just listen to me now, and your birthday
A phone
come
you
up.
take, man, for brother.
Please, just one more chance. Just listen to me now. And your birthday come up and you know, say me now work hard, nothing. Just there books him out to get some money. And you know, see a man look, you see a man, oh, look on him and look on you.
Then that me I say. So why you
Just
than
there
that?
books him out to get some money to buy you some gift for your birthday, some clocks and kickers. Say, but come know you like them, something they be. Just one more chance, please. Just believe me.
Yeah, think about it, you know, but right now, I don't know what to say.
Please, just listen to me, please. me,
So
I
the
beg
only
you.
man you have a books out there now.
Just him alone, I swear.
You can search your phone.
Of course.
Alright. You come home, you check your phone. And if everything as well me think as well you say, we consider it.
Alright, please. You know me love you and thing.
You know that, but at the end of the day when I say and when man I go pray me, how man I pray me? How you
A
think them a
boops me
pray
there,
me?
boops out the man. The man, look on the man. The man look all and pop down and look on you. You know, say you are my class and everything. Because the man all and pop down. Just go take up your things them and come up down and talk about this man. Please.
Alright, don't let me down again, you know.
Alright, let's go for yourself.
Don't let me down. Now try this one more time. This will work out, it done.
You know, say your birthday come up and me now work. Just come on.
Even if you not work, babe, I not expect you to do that.
Me
You
a
say yes.
boops out the man and
No,
get
because
some
I'm
money.
militant to hold my own money. If you not work and if you not happy, we'll see with that. So, yeah, with that money.
Alright.
Excited. I'm calm my phone. Girl, what? I say me have sus for you, girl. Me have sus. I bet you never know what just happened a while ago. Girl in the first class, come on me yard, they beg me to come back. Yes, girl. I can't bother. Apparently, the girl when left me for game bun. So he come back and beg me if he put him up. Then little bit after that, the girl me see come follow him. I don't know if I trail him or what. Follow him, come here. They explain. I don't know what should they explain say. The idiot not gone back with her. He get to, yeah man, get what the duck get. Yeah girl. Alright. When me see your girl later. Come now when they reach.
Kiki.
Marathi walk my
Yeah,
excitement.
I'm gonna see you.
I'm gonna come in.
A long time I don't see you.
Yeah, from school days up till now,
I
down.
say last week me I say I want back your number, you know, girl. Give me your number.
Yeah, try me just come back in our place. Let me in there.
Girl, me glad me see you. Me not tell no lie.
So I free now.
Yeah, girl, we have to link up because I have a lot of things to talk to you about.
Alright.
Things.
Alright, just do it. I thought somebody else away pan still. I'm
Alright.
going to come.
Later.
Yeah. And them school friend here. Never mind if you remember me.
Yeah, girl, what going? Me good man, you know, see some soup me I look about and now, girl, cause long time in the gym. Okay, alright. Forward then, girl, so me left some my soup for you and thing.
Alright, me I come.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oi!
Me there, I'm there for me though.
Here, girl. Come on, you're right on time, cause I just got off the school. There,
Thank
girl.
God, I got time here, but
Say,
it's super rich and healthy do.
supposed to.
Girl, I come over here and tell me to do until I want someone to stay here. I don't want some people to me in my community.
Girl,
So,
you're
you know,
good man.
so I can stay here.
Yeah, man.
Yes, thank God.
Yeah, you know? I'll cook
No,
you
I'm not
something,
eating now. I'm not eating now.
Okay.
Don't mind. Oh, thanks. Oh, for my plate to be down here in the small.
So nice, huh?
Yeah, girl, nice one. Nice, lovely, man. Yeah, I'll be from school days. Remember the food class and we used to bake the cookie them can come? Like everything there running down with the cookie. Nice, man. So, how are your boyfriend there?
Girl, I'm not a man right now. I'm tired of man. I have luck with man, girl. So I just go and focus on myself. You understand? That's what I know.
Alright, babe. Because they man don't want nobody nowadays.
I'm going to tell about it.
Yeah. But a girl is soup nice. I don't feel like one, I don't sleep. Normally soup, what my appetite and I make it want more something
You're
to
too
eat.
crazy, man.
Soup nice, man. Anyways, the way I say I had the pan.
Girl, I'm just there. Feel like me have niggeritis.
Girl, as me there for you, me know want certain people to see me still, so me I go there for a while with you, you know?
That good man, girl. You know, say we are friends long time. That
Yeah.
good.
I know you have the cooking skill for you go to school, you know. Right now, if it's so feel nice, man, I'm sorry say it done.
Sorry to go.
Tastes good, man. So, let me there go now, man. I want to make some kind of idea, but me I go and wait for a while first, you know?
Yeah. Yeah,
Girls, right now, more, my first thing to someone
Oi.
somewhere.
What go on, girl? Friday, I'm not even see what. And then I'm there, girl. Don't have me yard me there all long. And that true, I know see I always cook and have food up here. I come up here, I'm hungry. You know, no food up here. Can you give me some? I'm cooking a girl, but I know you're a girl, but I know you love cook. I know you want cooking Lily. You say what can go on for me?
Girl, you're not even wait till me done talk. Me cook but the soup finish. Me never that plan for cook enough, but true, my friend did call me before she come and tell me so she'll come. So me just add one little funny and it done. So hush. Alright then, so that's good still, but I'm gonna call B and see if he can buy nothing down our shop for me to eat. So girl, who she? Like she just brought off in your bed, so. Girl, I'm a friend from school days. How me can look on her, so? Nothing. Yes.
And that I want to know. But look where she need help. You know, I'm going to look papa and can't get her.
What bother with you now, man? Kiki does bill. Girl, I'm a friend from school days. You know how long me know this a girl, yeah? She just come for stay with me for a couple of days. You understand?
Tell her then, make sure know. Because basically she don't know.
So why she have to come spend some time with you? Think you would spend some time with somebody else?
What she just say? Girl talk. What she just say? Girl talk loud because I can't hear you. Talk loud when I get angry. You talk loud.
Oh, no bother with it, man. No bother with it. Girl, just go on. Me call you or text you. You understand? Just go on. Because I can't bother with the tension with the two of them. The two of them are my friend. You might not know one another. But you just bill, man.
Go on, man. You get said you lift up your thing.
Kiki, don't know, man.
You feel like you want beard.
Kiki, don't.
Make a chop with the people that say you come beg food. Go over.
Kiki,
Young
you
girl
can't
like
change.
But the young girl like him can buy banana cheese and you matter when go call man say I feel like friend before you link man. Go on over man. Gosh, you don't know what I can get to be she look dirty. Get some of your hot girl clothes them.
Kiki,
She bright, she jam me out.
No, sir.
I want to go make some call, you know.
Do that time.
She bright. But me say. Hello? Yeah, baby good and what? Where am I with you? I'm there. Yeah, baby good, me there foreign and I go now man. And there is snow. You're cool? You're cool man. The baby no must eat. The baby have to eat. I remember you have to spend your money so you have to make sure the baby get everything you want. Yeah. So be not send the money tomorrow. Yeah, because baby needs some new clothes. The baby needs some new things. Yeah. So you're alright, you know. Just sending you something. I never say I get no more good stuff. I just want you to send me something. Yeah. Alright, me call you back later. Because I'm going to deal with something for baby eat. Yeah, me tell her same eat already, but the baby needs something more. Alright. Yeah. Me go call you back. Alright.
Wow, girl. Which baby? You never tell me say a baby.
I'm not a baby girl. I true when I left school, I go Monday to go live. So I start this one baby, some baby style. Like, I do with this like I do with the nigga and have sex with them and tell them I'm pregnant. Tell them I'm pregnant and get money for them. I'm not pregnant, a baby scam.
Hey girl, a devil still in her?
Hey girl.
No sir.
So basically that me I do for that me do for living and it work. Best so believe say it work. Alright. Mother tell them I'm pregnant and they would have to wait for a while till he start show. So mother get one pregnant woman to piss pan or something. Piss pan the test and take the test and go give them in a my face. So if they want to baby now middle, they don't push up your belly and rub it down like baby. Yeah. So you have to do it. Them boy don't want no woman, them come up and style the woman them, so when they catch it start to style them, I style them. Yeah. So I hold them and cloth them, so they see how much money come to baby and no baby. That's why I tell you someone want certain people see me in my area. Because the man thinks me they are foreign now with the baby.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Right.
Girl, me have something where you want you deal with for me.
What that know?
Come
Open
to
the
me
door to
mind.
stress me, you know.
No sir, now I'm gonna stress a girl. Me did have this one man to talk to. Well, after the boy look me in a girl, look me and they pressure me and you know what I mean there?
Yeah.
Finally give the boy a chance. You know say the boy can't sleep with me. You know what I mean?
Yeah man, yeah man.
I'm gone. So I hit her on the boy give me.
Oh. So basically you take one piece and left.
Girl.
That's why me con them before they con me. Yeah.
Me just did me just did vulnerable. You know them way they come they just come out of one relationship and everything. But me I gonna make you do the same thing. You see same thing what you do? I want you do it. Me I beg you, I want you do it.
Alright. But you have to go give me more information about the boy.
Yeah, don't worry
You have to let me know where he come from, where he capable of, where he always there. So I can push up myself, you know? Yeah. So you have to tell me.
Yeah girl, we are gonna do it.
So how him look, where he always there.
Girl I want Rasta man. You understand?
Black, brown, tall, short.
Dark complexion, not really black and a brown, but you know, yeah.
So
And
he
he kind of tall, like.
So slim pick. Wow.
Always there on the grill.
Spot on the grill.
You see, if you know they are up the beach, in their western. Yeah.
Okay.
But that's easy if you find him. You don't worry about that. We will get there. But more you deal with it for me.
Alright, no problem. I got you. You are my friend and I got you.
More you deal with it.
Yes, friend. Look at
We
you.
go show them, say that them alone can't wicked. We, woman, can't wicked too.
I'm go show them our name Kiki.
Yeah, girl.
Yes. Man, I ask. Yeah, girl, that me do basically. Girl, that me do basically. And that me make money.
Okay, yes. Girl, I can't wait.
I can't wait either. So, I got you. Just not to tell no friend nothing, not tell nobody nothing about it.
Girl, me not tell
Yeah, just
nobody
pretend like you
about
don't know
it.
nothing. Yeah.
Yeah.
I just tell you how this thing work. Pretend like you don't know nothing. So me have it, man. Me have it. Remember, say something me used to, you know, if
Yeah,
you do.
girl. Me believe in
have
you,
it.
you know.
Yeah,
What's
man.
your man?
Ready.
Hello, good day. You know, say, I can't find my phone. Me I
Are you still asking?
no, me not somewhere over here, so but me I beg you a call, so me say me can ring you, please.
Simple mathematics, man.
Thanks.
Yeah, man, open fine, ring. Ask some left my phone some of the time, and a whole lot of time I left my phone online some market. I buy things and as I brain go. Just try to remember where the last place to see your phone.
And that me I try remember me walk on.
Ring it though, just ring it fast. When the young people losing their phone like they're losing their life, you know.
Oh, remember what me left you? Thanks, sir. I'll pay you to live on the bed when me I come home. Thanks, sir. Alright.
You have tattoo though.
Yeah.
I'll be a star there on it.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for your call.
Yeah, man.
Listen myself.
Fire.
Alright, burn it down to the ground.
Yeah. Careful on the road, man.
Alright.
The best then thief like her. man then tear down.
Boy, girl, take time to come back down.
Yep.
Me say, me have an idea. Me say the man, you know.
That's all right.
You see how you describe him? When I go there, I see me, I feel such a man. And I say, I'm him and the man. I'm going to go over there to him. But me use a style like this, I say, you know, say I walk me and walk, like me lost my phone and I don't know which part me lost, because I can't remember. So I say, give me a call now. I'm using phone and ring off my number. I know somebody left my phone for the bill. But at this time, I use. Girl, I got you. Yes. I go call him.
Call him right now.
I go call him. Well, and then I got bathroom and come back. Then I call him.
Alright, babes.
See me here, girl. So,
Girl.
I go call him. Nice. Hello? Hello? Fire. I girl, we get call today. We did tell us your phone last one.
I'm there all the time now.
Oh, thanks for helping me out today, Eric. You know, some people that say they not get called on their phone and them something there, you know?
I know I'm on things that man. Don't worry about that man.
So, why pray?
I'm there going all the time still now.
So we can be friends there.
Well, I don't know, you know. I think I know. Yeah. You look good though. Nothing wrong, you know?
So you have my number, me have your number, so we can text for the app or something.
Yeah, man. I will call you. But yeah, I'm on a mission now, so I will call you tomorrow. And maybe we can have a drink then.
Okay, so we can hurry if you come out for the phone.
No, because I'm on a mission now in the night here still, you know? But tomorrow now, you know, we have some look partner to pay and them look something that I try to clear off, you know?
Oh.
Yeah, because you know, if you don't pay a partner, you don't get a job, so I'll pay now, that means if you get them job, so I might have to get my job, you know where you go, you know?
Alright, so make sure you call me tomorrow, so it's me. May I wait for your call?
Alright, man, alright. So, if you get a man like me, you get everything what you want, right? You get anything you want me does, but me a man like this now, I like action more than talking. You know, I like, come tell them stay now. Me a man like this, I like the long thing, you know. Like, it means why it's my time I just build. Because I don't want to date a girl and a girl go make me wait for you now 3 months or 4 months, you know. Because, you know what I mean? So you meet me today, anything you want, you get it today. But when you meet a girl and I tell me
You're not have to say Fatima, you're not have to say no more. As you say, you're busy now, so if tomorrow, you just link me up on my phone. I'm ready for you anytime, yeah.
Ah, yeah, so tomorrow we make a link then, man. Just so like you're live and direct. Yeah, man,
Yeah,
that is it, man.
fully active, no deadness in my
That's what I
team.
look for.
Yeah, so.
That's what I look for.
Alright, so call me tomorrow.
I'm going to go and chase the paper. You know what I mean? That means I'm caught up with you by tomorrow, you're good too, yeah?
Alright, no problem.
Alright, burn it down.
To the ground. Come on from my phone. Don't worry yourself, girl.
Really, I say?
I have you. I tell you if I have you and me and your friend. I want to see you.
It's alright.
That boy your pocket I go burn him.
Radam boy get.
Yeah.
But I'm not like woman where we 3 months. He know himself.
My pocket I go burn him, man. I kick him get.
He gonna get what's coming to him next.
Yes.
Girl, thanks. I couldn't do this without you.
Mm-hmm. I go fry one egg, yeah.
Alright, Billias.
You go on. Let me just stay tired.
You can tired, so. No, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, girl, what?
Yeah.
You good?
You see up on the road, me just come, me walk from, I'm a piece of wall, me have one load of cord out there, so some just say me I come to use the bathroom. You can use the bathroom. So make your friend look for me, so.
Girl, no come at me. Go piss if you piss and no come at me. I want me
I
to
want
see you.
to see you from other day.
But in come for piss and no look for me. Where you there watch me for piss? You want piss at the toilet if you watching at me? What this?
Me don't know
Cranny
what
like.
it to how no. No, sir.
Your friend cranny do. Run so. And the man me want chop. I want piece of money. Me don't get too long and broke. I want chop the man.
Girl, me well want you to chop him because my bills to pay from when. And he just start hold out to the little money.
Wait man, don't worry yourself. Wait till me tell him say the baby start sure.
Yeah, girl.
Wait.
Oh,
But I don't like your dirty friend.
Kiki.
She just cranny so. Every time she come up in my face drop so. She can't turn her yard. When she don't want piss, she want food.
Kiki, you make yourself peppery.
No, sir.
Don't know no girl. She come. Jesus Christ. So you use the bathroom and thing? Okay.
So me I go to here.
Alright. Later, here? Me
call
text you. Alright.
Yuck.
Kiki, don't know?
She yak man.
It was terrible, so.
She yak.
I'm a friend. No, sir.
Right now.
Come here now, I'll do me a friend. Come here now.
How are you?
Just come, man. Say I'll do me enough friend. Girl, me know say me enough friend. And me know say me enough plan piece of life. But me know what you do.
And me really come about. Where you talk about? What you mean by me know? You know what me I do. By the way, you're supposed to call me. Where you come about? One. Friend you beg? You want one burger? That's what you want. What? Where you talk about?
The thing say me no know say you and my friend plan up and say go scam boy and one bag of I want to cut out of that day.
Ready? Girl, me don't know what you talk about. So you feel monkey story them or whatever you want plan up go one side. Or if a friend you beg, wrong somebody. Wrong somebody.
Oh, wait there, come here, come listen to this here.
It's what again? What?
I may have every blue, listen to it.
Who from
You hear
the
that?
Me not hear nothing.
You don't hear nothing?
No.
Who you do? Let me not get to me half of today.
Ready? My say. Give the boy peace.
Yes, goodie.
How
what happened?
So, at the same time, I do it now.
Yeah.
Give him peace.
Give me sauce, give me
But the boy
sauce.
use no. So what me do is when him tie up and drop it down. I worry. Go in the bathroom, worry, I make like look come up on the ground. I'm go in the bathroom. I'm come back out shock. And I say no, you're coming at me. And I say no, I'm coming at you and I use condom. And I say no man, me wipe and I see you come and I come no look so. I'm going to take up the condom off the ground, I'm going to spray, I'm going to look at the condom bust.
So how in reaction? How in
I'm going to say, Me need no secret. Me say you think I know bullshit that you got me pregnant. Me go good. And him say me got you. Anything that me just make me know, but me got you. I say alright, girl. When me done with him, you say, how do you? Can't do me so.
So wait there, oh you pull off that?
I'm gonna pull off that.
Suppose you want one test or something.
No.
Oh, you pull off that?
You don't know the body we're pregnant.
Yeah, girl.
But them piss for the test you carry come give me.
Yeah, girl.
Yes. Or if you don't have nobody, I got you. Cause remember, you know, I'm my job that. So, I must have somebody. But you made down a year side now where you have to go find somebody. Cause we're gonna want to test in my hands, you can show say I'm me. So maybe basically I go up on the toilet, I'm gonna piss in it and yeah.
Girl.
I got you.
Thanks. Who said I come down here, girl?
God. So, just know I got you. And the boy I go feel it for when they to my nice clean body browning friend. Yes. Man, ask.
May I get excited?
Yes. We need some AC. We need some things. Cause the boy have to spin pound with just for
yeah, girl.
Yeah, girl. Yes, auntie sister. Wait till we done with him. Nah, yeah. My heart do.
I'm kind of nervous doing this in my life.
Nervous for what? I got this. I turn up on it firm. You know see it, my diva shake. Cause I'm sturdy. Yeah, I got this. I got this.
Alright, girl.
But you look like you're afraid.
Kinda, I'm not telling a lie, but
What you afraid for?
I believe in I
That's something I've been a do.
You not understanding them? That boy, you don't want normal boy. You know, you tell us say boy hit and run me. Eh?
Girl, you, Tia, and me, Kiki, are too different. So I'm going to show you, say, and you didn't move too soft for the boy. See, so when you have them up in hand, and you curve up and you put your head on your body, no boy test. I forgot to teach you the ropes, because you have them boy, you go and let them as somebody. You can't make Junker feel like hummingbird. I want me to you, girl.
You feel so me really a med still, you know?
Yeah, damn
Jesus
right.
Christ.
Because if you don't know if you can, man, I don't know what to say.
You have to go there around me more often to teach me the
I
game,
tell you, say the right somebody you have.
Alright.
Then if me I do this from my left school, and nothing wrong with me, and now something go wrong with me,
You have to go be careful, do it differently, you know.
you hear me? Me I do this from my left school, yeah, how much now? About 25, 23, you know? And me how much? Me at 23. And me I do this from my left school from me how much? 18. And me I do this 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 5 years I go to 6 now. What you do me? Eh?
So your occupation.
Angle this.
Man.
Me have served a ticket for this. Me
Alright,
certified.
Alright, friend. Go on with yourself.
So anyways, what you plan to do in idea? 9:90.
Girl.
Come in already for sleep, but now we'll go somewhere.
Yeah, man. Can go on the road to celebrate.
Yes, come on.
Alright.
Girl. The past 2 weeks, now I go up. A time to look at more calling.
Oh. You know somebody get you something?
What that?
Maybe get somebody,
Hold on there. Let me call him. Where say they get?
the test.
Yeah.
Yeah, girl.
Go over.
Let me do it again.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Me feel pregnant because I just be vomiting me the pan. Cause right now, me the same spot where me dey vomit and I be vomit, I don't know what to do. Yeah. Alright, me go buy one test now and do it send to you. Yeah. No. Alright.
So you really buy?
Yeah, you buy it. You know what I have to buy?
Yeah, girl. Girl, I
You have to buy
can't
it.
believe.
I have to buy it.
You see it?
I'm in name, I'm in
He
name.
hit her on me. And radam feel.
Yes, so. Run
I
up in
don't
our
sorry
ranks,
feel me
man.
now.
You
You
can't
have
sorry
to read
feel.
him out.
Don't worry yourself.
Girl, see it.
Yeah. But me have to wait for a while, because remember some things I go buy and come back.
Yeah, man.
Right, see there? Yes, come
He
Don't
go
stick
get
on it,
what's
man.
coming for him.
Alright. That's a 40. But like this. Yeah. Alright, my girl. Why am I tired? Hola.
Girl, you ever tired? What happened?
Me I go spend a week with him, you know. So, I go call you. I go text you. I go video call you. I go update upon every little thing. So if you want pinch up in our house, you know about it. So,
Girl.
but if I cannot clothes, can you have to buy me some new clothes?
You mean business?
Yes.
Just be careful.
What your
girl.
size?
Eh?
Tell me your shirt size, the short size, the panty size, everything. Tell me your size. Just text them to me. I
Girl,
got you.
me text them to you. Now
Yeah,
worry
I got
yourself.
you. I got you, girl. I got you.
Don't worry yourself, girl. Be careful and make sure you text me and call me every step of the
Every
way.
step, I say if one pinch up your ear.
Alright.
Maybe I don't know sleep, you're up on the call your ear, I'll bung them where my jaw.
Alright, good.
Later. Yeah,
Oh, yeah, who that?
I'm here.
Pull the door open.
Welcome, good girl.
There, good. What happened?
Welcome there. You don't miss me.
Girl, me miss your bottle. Can't bother.
What happened?
There, girl. I stroll through IG. Look.
So, I just come back over here now.
Careful, me girl. You're gone a week now. You come back with your 2 empty hands. No, sir.
Girl, what do you mean by that? Yeah, so I send money in your account. You do even say thanks, sir, and what I go on. What do you mean by I come back with my empty and money send in your account?
Girl, me never check my...
Online banking, you have a look. Anyways, I enjoy my little vacation. Yeah, it did nice.
Me girl, you enjoy, but I hope you not fall.
Fall for what?
Okay.
Me look like my love fall.
Yeah, girl, me... This is what me
So
a
you
talk
just
about.
see the money all over.
Girl, me not get no notification.
Ah, see, me send the money in your account a long time.
Jesus.
You say, I could have left you come over here, so. For me, I go book me up on the road, because you know, say, you always up on the road to do business. I could go up on the road to say me I come over here for making you spot me. So I just have to use my phone and send off the money.
Understand.
Yeah.
Girl.
So, get to the point. So, I tell the boys I live with my father. And my father not too like my name yard. So, he ask me how that I go work. So I tell him, say, if I find a way to make it work. Because he can't go come to my father yard. My father not alone man yard. So the boy rent me a place.
Oh, yeah, goody.
Yeah.
I open one place
For
uptown.
yourself. Let's go over there because he's not there now. And then me I come from me they go show you how did they stay and how did they look. Come on, your friend got you.
Girl.
Yes.
Excitement.
Well, you scam. So yeah, basically, over here so him rent me. So over here so me I stay now.
Yeah, go on with yourself, girl.
Yeah.
Place nice and thing, man.
So, you know, say over here so we are stay and thing.
Yeah. Okay. One nice cool. One room, you know.
Girl, see me buy me one bag. You know that one you feel. I'm there so. Don't worry yourself, me angry the boy.
Yeah, girl.
So,
Girl,
yeah,
can't believe.
yeah.
No, sir.
You just never know say what I fall for down.
Me never know.
I mean name here.
No, sir.
I just check my lucky door because I know we come anytime.
Oh, him pop up on you anytime and
No, man, he will come, but you know, sometime, not all the time.
Oh. Okay. Girl, and I'm a charger can fit this.
Yeah, iPhone, you have to have an iPhone. Look over this one. You charge a plug in for nice socket over this one.
Okay, let's see it.
Mr. Girl, I'm sorry say. I could use over for your yard and say over the where do you rent. Actually, you know you. Because would make somebody for you collect the money for your rent and we would have it back.
True. You know,
I
my
say go
place
still.
can use income the one time.
I say go. But there you go on. Easy work still. What me say, as me say, everything what me have to update upon. Who that? Hello? Who that? Here come. Me have him up by your foot there, him know what to show. Me a come. Remember say you have to take time with me, you know.
I tell the people them to fix up for me, you know, because I don't know why they do it. We can't stay too long.
Thanks. Alright.
So, here you are. I'll come back later.
Yeah.
Come water later. Alright? You alright though?
Yeah, me good. Come on. Oh God. This is a piece that we did forget on him.
Girl, me not even talk about that. Me not make it heart attack.
You're too easy for frightened. This is a piece that we did forget on him.
Hey. Alright. Can't give me one.
You never have to ask. Like in the coat. No, ma, mug you.
Thanks.
Okay.
You think me need to get peace out time money?
Yeah. I'm going to I'm going to deal with something and come back.
Be careful.
Yeah, I'm going to be careful. I just I'm going to deal with it and come back.
Or you can come out. Be careful. When you walk with the 2 foot up, that means you can't slide.
Alright.
If you slide, try jump on your face, not jump on your belly. Do. If you jump, no jump. You don't know if you jerk the baby. Jump on your, not jump on your side, jump on your face.
I don't jump.
Alright? But
So I can jump on my 2 foot in time, so.
yeah, I make you slide up and up so and wide up and then more than you don't jump on
I don't jump on the belly. My son come back.
Alright. So now you call me.
Yeah.
You forget the lights, you know, but I'll give you a car for drive, but go on. I give you a vehicle for drive, but you don't care. You don't care. How that? How is that? Speak up forever while you peace. Now not fear you in, but come in still. Push the door. The law abiding citizen.
Good night.
Good night.
Mr. Dad?
Walk on.
Alright. You know a girl go by the name of Shakira Lonely, otherwise known as Kiki.
Woman, baby mother, pregnant.
David
What him? Is that? How many that?
No. Calm yourself.
I'm just dead for the record.
No. Don't like that.
But tell the guy say everyone drop on his face.
Sir, listen to me now. No door. You know,
Oh man, yo,
listen.
come talk to me man. Cause you just get me up a while ago.
One other girl there named Tiffany. A slim girl
No.
with some spot.
Me no know.
And she short, you don't know why.
Nobody know.
Alright, well, we find Tiffany dead now a few days ago, you know, strangled to death.
Oh, me
And-
about one girl that dead. Yeah.
Yeah.
They strangle her and kill her.
And we also find her phone because we've been looking for her phone and we couldn't find her, but we find him now. And so we're recording the funny. But yeah, you're so-called baby mother.
What's that? What's that?
She's not really
She give me
pregnant.
bun?
She's not
No.
pregnant.
Where's that? She know what?
She's not pregnant.
Liar tell.
It look like a
Me see the stick 2 mark there on the pregnancy test.
pregnancy test can fake.
If you never know.
And her belly big. Tell me now, you can't fake big belly?
She eat enough now.
Give me buy her enough food for me.
Yes. She's not pregnant. We find a recording on the phone when she have
A million of them.
make a plot.
Me give her
She and this girl, I think she named Tia. One girl named Tia, I make a plot cause according to the recording, you must get Tia some hit and run business. I don't know, I no business all of that.
no, me not get it and run.
And Kiki, you know, you're a big mother. We have high evidence on camera there on that place so she look like she may recognize she killed Tiffany, strangled her around with a piece of card. On the camera, so she may look for you know she didn't know.
She gone up, she gone, me don't know if she gone somewhere, me not tell me directly. She up on the road.
She up on the road.
Yeah.
Does she go on the road often?
Yeah, no, and then she go on, me no watch woman, you know. Me no watch woman, you know. Woman go with them
you
man
don't watch woman. So probably she gone over her friend yard. So me go check for her because me have to carry her
No, really and truly, my carrying because millions of dollars. Me put in her account, can I get my money? Come.
Kiki is a scammer. She do it everywhere complain me with it. Kiki is a scammer.
So
And
who
you
not
all
catch
know
her? Why can you never catch her?
because she a run, she not stick one place so long.
Come find me. You know party friend live? Come go back.
Yeah. Me know that look
Me
very.
a come.
Wig for sale, wig. Me a sell out some wig in the night, a wig for sale. Now buy no wig. Who there? Wig for sale, wig.
Yeah, girl. That's me reacting. Girl, I want to get some more money out of the boy I didn't get. I should get some more. We look like woman with the baby.
Don't move. Check your
The
load.
police had on me yard.
So are you set me up? Are you set me up? Oh.
Come, miss, come. Turn on.
Officer.
Turn on.
So what is?
Fire.
Stay. You kill Tiffany.
Me kill who?
Nobody come and say
Nobody
we
don't kill
already have
nobody.
up on the camera. Come, move.
Officer,
So
lock him up.
officer, baby mother, yeah.
Please lock him up and we can't get my
Please.
money. Please. All I
You
want.
don't lock me up with the belly.
Who's belly? We know
She
not
pregnant
this
for
up.
true.
She not pregnant nothing. Yeah, next one. Now, move.
So me under arrest?
I don't know, so I like you, a police officer. Move.
Me know my rights, officer.
Move.
God.
Come move it.
Can't miss that
Move it. Come. Move it. You know, allow one way to keep.
I want back all of my money, you know. Every money when we get, every there. Yeah, me I try to figure out a way, you know, we're going to solve the problem. Because Jamaica full of too much hate, the world full of too much hate. So, we say one love, right? One king. Let's go. One JAMMIWOOD. A lot of things go on still. So with the funny, I try pressure some work as usual. So it take and go do what you do. So as we fight along the journey, we no go notice. I want to notice things I don't want nobody come to me, you know. Question. I don't have much to say different about that. Cause I take what you take and you go do what you do. You know what I mean? And my mission is not everybody's mission. Everybody have a different ulterior motive for everything that they do. You know what I mean? So saying this to say that I want to see movie business reach the part it's supposed to reach. We're not there for the hustling. We have to hustle to survive on a day-to-day basis. That's a Jamaica lifestyle. That's what we are left with, really. So hustling is good. But where the movie is concerned, we're trying to get it official up already so it can enter into the real marketplace. You know, so I say them a thing, you know, I don't know, maybe watch some of the movie them and say, but when I talk about this, I'm not shooting professionally. You know what I mean? But you must listen to the first thing I say. I say, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. And again, the next thing I say, you take what you take and you go do what you do. From where I stand, I'm just trying to survive. But just write a big movie and you go see the difference with that movie compared to what you put on YouTube. Because YouTube is no budget. Kind of really have a lot of money to do with the YouTube. But if you do a real movie now, budget will come in and you have to go different camera. So I don't have to own the camera. You have people who own the camera them. Can do big budget, right? And anything out of world when we don't have, you can rent it. You don't have to, you can rent it and use it. So we know we can do big work, but it's just that the where you're gonna put it when you finish after you make the big movie. You know what I mean? So these are just some stumbling block. We are looking to how we go figure it out. If we invest in our movie, how do we get back pay from it? So who in the movie can, so that's the whole platform of the thing. I'm thinking about writing a series too. You know what I mean? So, and shooting it like Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, Family Matters, something like that in that category there. You know what I mean? So, what a thing in our pipeline. But for now, we are what we can do. So, if we keep the thing blazing, we have to say big up to you know what I mean? Because it has been a journey. Quite some time we've been fighting, and we're still here blazing the fire. You know what I mean? Sitting on the dock of the bay. You know what I mean? Waiting for the tides to come. Yeah, but still, remember Jimmy Cliff song most of the time. You know what I mean? When I do this mission. So even when it's dark, you know what I mean? My others can reflect it. So you can get it if you really want. You can get it if you really want. You understand? If you know the song. But you must try. So I've been trying and trying and trying and trying, and I'm going to try again. You know what I mean? So we keep on putting the work in from that time till this time. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to look for a male, young youth, in brain fast, and then we go train him to shoot professionally with the assistant of Richard Brown Films. We go carry him up there, we should train him fully. You know what I mean? The person have to be a person who don't want a channel for themselves. You know what I mean? Because once I want to have a channel for himself, they go divert to all over the place and go think about his own self. You know, go think about the mission that I have from my start, JAMMIWOOD. It was to carry the movie business to the next place. Now, we're at a different place now where everybody want a channel for themselves. I'm not the one to fight a one if you want a channel to get a channel. But now, I look for a youth who is a team player who want to see the mission go where part is supposed to go. You know what I mean? So, there's going to be great award for unity, because unity brings forth strength, and with strength you can go wider. When everybody is separating and want to do themselves, after a while, through the mission is not theirs, if I say it right or wrong, but they will not carry it like as that, because they're not on the mission of making movie business better. You know what I mean? So that is my mission. Likewise, Richie mission, same way, because in the head in terms of shooting and setting the things them how it was set officially. My channel will not reach us yet. You know what I mean? Because we don't have nobody professional shooting. I can have a professional moving on my mind, but if you don't have a person to really shoot the angles them that need to be shoot, you know what I mean? Then likewise with editing, we have people, we will train people to start do professional editing. So who did it from that time till this time, we've been holding strong and said do this and do this and do that. But it take what it take and go do it. So likewise, me say it take a time. So now that is the next level we're moving to. We have a little mini studio, not fully functional yet, but it a go on. So why you can say I can do a prison movie if I feel like you just want to go painting up and look at this and look at that. So everything I go good. So who understand and who not understand, so you go. One day we get it. You know what I mean? So we feel good still. We're probably there. Today, JAMMIWOOD is better. JAMMIWOOD have a surf ticket now. You know what I mean? JAMMIWOOD have a logo, we're licensed with JAPRO. So we are trying to get everything on the legal part, same way. You know what I mean? So saying this to say that. Still looking for that #1 actress. Likewise, actor who will put them all in it and make it work. You know what I mean? First, it cannot be about money because in Jamaica, movie is not making money yet. But movie will make money once you get it right. Yeah, and think about it. Think about like Bob Marley. If they never put in work, would them network $1 billion, $1 million now? When it was starting, it wasn't that. So this is one I think that you find nowadays. It might come with the hands out like it's hungry days. But we have to face hungry days for the future. And the future go bright if you get it right. I just that alone I can answer right now. If you get it right, the future will be bright. Because you take what you take and you go do what you done, a joke talk. You know what I mean? So, if I that you take, that you take. So, with that one good place, everything good, full force, like I say, we'll get some people, train some people to shoot and edit. Then we're going to need some people who really believe so they can be #1, who see themselves on the big screen worldwide, because YouTube take it to the audience worldwide. You know what I mean? So we'd have to get it right with shooting, editing, sounds and everything, so we can go to where we need to go. But we can do it though. You know, I mean, I have no doubt in my mind, if we go do it, we go do it. Alright? So you know yourself, you did there, you number up on the screen. Make the link, you take what you take, and you go do what you do. In the meantime, I have one vehicle I sell, I know me I sell it, but it's a company where I do the ads for, right? So you can check out it, and if you're interested, a number will be right there. You know what I mean? Virgin a whole car sell, but you just get a new bus, so I don't know if nobody want a silver bus, so you can look on it and give the Virgin a car, same speed, enough respect. Burn it down to the ground, take what you take and go the way do. Let's go.
Curious Skin, Richard Williams, Jack Banjia. Don't play with it now. Money. Don't play with it now. Money. Let's get down to Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. All I wanna hear is about the cheddar. All I wanna hear is about the money to make my life better. Money talk, bullshit walk. Money talk, bullshit walk. We leave you someplace in the dark. We don't love to talk. The dog will bark. You come with this, don't come around here. We leave you there while you're scared. I hope you're here, always near.